He's not here with
Wait,
us.
what?
A Ferrari. Yeah. We're doing
Jesus,
crazy
yeah, you're
stuff.
right.
We're giving Ferraris to our community members. That's why it's good to have a honey shot, because you never know what's gonna happen in the future. Maybe we're gonna give now Lambo or something else.
Everything you need to know about the next upcoming biggest NFT raffle in the crypto industry. And yes, the last time they even gave away a brand new Ferrari to one of their community members. And in the latest podcast of Fancy Bears Meta, they was even talking about giving away a brand new Lamborghini. So stay tuned. We will go about the next 6 most asked questions. The first question is, what are HoneyShots NFTs? How does it work? The 4 types of rarity explained. When does the raffle find place? How to anticipate in the raffle? And the last question is, what happens with the HoneyShots NFTs that didn't made it for the raffle on time? So let's go directly into it. What are HoneyShots NFTs? HoneyShots are NFTs that almost works exactly like a lottery ticket. With that lottery ticket, you can anticipate to one of the biggest NFT raffles going on currently in the crypto industry and win prizes ranging from more valuable NFTs to less valuable NFTs. Next to that, you also can get some extra benefits within the Fancy Bears Meta community, such as access to purchase one of their tickets to their events, generic merch, or Traitswap mints within the Fancy Bears NFT collection. How does it work? The HoneyShots NFTs are divided into 4 categories. Every category has its own raffle odds multiplier that determines your chances in winning. How higher your category, how more chances you will have in winning something. The 4 types of rarity explained: common, rare, epic, and legendary. Let's go and look closer to each of them. Common has a 1x multiplier and puts you within the 80% of holders, so your winning probability is 20%. If you have a rare one, then you're having a 2x multiplier and it puts you within the 12% of holders, what makes your winning odds right now 88%. If you have an epic one, then you belongs to the 6% of holders, your winning odds are 5x, and you having a winning odds probability of 94%. If you got legendary, huge felicitations, because that means you belongs to the 2% of holders, and so your winning odds are right now 98%. When does the raffle finds place? The raffle finds place 4 weeks after the day of reveal. The day of reveal found place on the 24th of August. So the raffle will be between the 19th of September and the 25th of September. Till then, you still have time to accumulate or buy some of these HoneyShots NFTs. How to anticipate in the HoneyShots raffle? The official information will still need to be published on their website, but as of yesterday's podcast, we already figured out that there will be the option to connect our wallets directly with their websites, the official website that could be or the HoneyShot website or the Fancy Bears Meta website. So just to not miss out on the right moment, as you know, this raffle is a one-time raffle only. So make sure you are following my YouTube channel and you have put all notification bells on all. So the notification bells needs to be put on all to not miss out on the moment I will publish my videos about this raffle, so you are not too late to the party. Once you have connected your wallet directly with their website, from that moment on, the only thing you have to do is to click on drink my HoneyShots NFT. So there will be a button, special button for that. Once you clicked on that, you will just need to wait till the raffle has ended. Once the raffle has ended, you will be able to view directly or you want something, yes or no. In case you want something, your prize, your NFT will actually be airdropped automatically back to your wallet. So of course not the HoneyShot NFT, I guess, but the new NFT that you won will be airdropped into your wallet. What happens for the HoneyShots NFTs that didn't made it on time for the biggest NFT raffle in crypto history? So, this is a one-time event only, but because the company already expecting that some people will miss out on this raffle, they will give them the option to anticipate in future reward pools made from the leftovers. Yes, you hear it right, from the leftovers. So don't make sure that you are not belonging to that category. The easiest way is to follow my YouTube channel, smash the like button, and put, very important, the notification bells on all so you are notified as fastest as possible. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.